How to convert USDT to XRP on Binance. For that, open your Binance mobile application, come to the home page and tap on the Binance icon in the top left hand corner. Now tap on the convert option and you will be landed on the conversion page. Now by default the conversion will be on the market order, but if you want to set your own price then you can even go with the limit order. But for this video I'm gonna keep it on market so that everyone could understand it properly. Now in the from section select USDT and here in the to section tap on the drop down menu and search for XRP. Once you are able to find XRP, tap on its icon so that you could select it in the to section. Once this step is done, you just have to enter the amount in USDT section and it will show you the equivalent amount of XRP that you will get. Once done, you just have to simply tap on the trade option and it will show you bunch of other information associated with this transaction, like the type, which is market, transaction fees, which is 0, plus the current price of XRP. Now tap on the confirm option and then within 10 seconds your conversion will be taken place and you will get your XRP in your account. In order to view it, you can go to the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner and you are done. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.